Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Grand Online Academy. My name is Teacher Cabdicasiis and I'm one of the teachers here at Grand Online Academy. In today's video, you're going to learn how to speak more professionally in business situations. At times, it's alright or it's fine for you to speak the general English or the informal language, but there are times that you want to show or to create more powerful impressions. And at that time, you will want to able to use business English. Okay, before I start the lesson, make sure that you share the lesson or the video to your family and your friends so that they could learn. And also, make sure that you like the video and also like the page, inshallah. So liking the video will make us very happy. So make sure that you like the video. Okay, maanta cashirkeen wuxuu ka hadlayaa wax weeyaan waa business English. In business environments, ula jaan qaadi lahayd business people and business environment in business English. Okay. And the difference between business English and general English, they're pretty much the same, but sometimes you want to use higher level words, area kasareya, and our daily life and English area kasareya. So in this lesson, that's what I'm going to teach you, inshallah. I've got some examples here, inshallah. And the first example, or tusala koowaad, is got. I got your email. I got your email. Basically, the meaning wax weeyaan I got your email. Waxaan helay amba waxay soo gaaray emailkaaga. Emailkaaga ayay soo gaaray. Marka wax weeyaan waa the general English. You will be saying I received your email. I received your email. يعني waxay soo gaaray emailkaaga. I received your email. Marka it becomes more powerful. It becomes more formal and it becomes more formal and more business-like. Okay. I received your email. Waxay soo gaaray emailkaaga. Okay. Let's carry on. Number 2. Need. Suppose you want to say someone, I need your help. Someone, I need your help. I need your help. Okay, in business English, you'll be saying, and instead of saying need, what word could you replace need and starts with R? You'll be saying, I require your help. Or maybe, I require your assistance. Your assistance, so same meaning. I require your assistance. Your assistance. Okay. And let's carry on. Let's move on with the third example. Let's talk about it later. And hado ka wada hadalno. Let's talk about it later. Let's talk about it later. You will be saying, instead of saying talk about, let's discuss it later. Let's discuss it later. And hado ka wada sheekaysano. So, and it sounds more professional than saying let's talk about it later. Let's talk about it later. Okay, and example number 4. Please make sure you arrive on time. Please make sure you arrive on time. Please fadlan waxaad hubisay inaad timaado waqtigaaga. Marka you'll be saying please instead of saying make sure. Please ensure you arrive on time. Both are the same meanings, but ensure seems more business. Okay, example number 5. Can you let them know when you will be arriving? For example, can you let them know when you'll be arriving? And muu sheegi kartaa xilligan imaan karo. Xilligaad imaanis muu sii sheegi kartaa yani qofka. Can you let them know when you'll be arriving? You'll be saying, can you inform? Can you inform when you will be arriving? Can you inform? Can you inform when you will be arriving? Or maybe can you tell them when you'll be arriving? Can you let them know when you'll be arriving? They're all the same. Okay. Example number 6. How are you going to fix the problem? How are you going to fix the problem? How are you going to fix the problem? You'll be saying, how are you going to fix the problem? Sideed u xalin karaysa dhibaato. How are you going to fix the problem? Sideed u xalin karaysa dhibaatada. Okay, you'll be saying, how are you going to solve the problem? How are you going to solve the problem? How are you going to solve? How are you going to solve the problem? Sideed u xalin karaysa dhibaatada. Marka solve seems more formal than fix. Instead of saying fix, and you'll be saying solve. How are you going to solve the problem? Okay, there you go. And casharkeena maanta waxa weeyaan business English buu ahaa. Very simple lesson. I'll be doing a recap inshallah. And example number 1 wuxuu ahaa, I got your email. I got your email. Waxay soo gaaray emailkaaga. Marka I'll be saying, waxaan ka dhignay, I received your email. I received your email. Emailkaagi bay soo gaaray. I need your help. I need your help. Waxaan u baahanay caawinaadaada. I need your help. I require your assistance. I require your assistance. Marka waxaan bedelnay the noun iyo verb waan bedelnay. I require your assistance. Let's talk about it later. Let's talk about it later. And hadhow ka wada hadalno. You have a meeting, kadib waxaad oranaysaa, let's talk about it later. Hadhow aan ka wada hadalno. You'll be saying, let's discuss. Waxaan ka dhignay discuss. Let's discuss it later. And hadhow ka wada sheekaysanno. Let's discuss it later. Okay. Number 4, please make sure you arrive on time. Please make sure you arrive on time. Waxaad inshallah hubisa inaad timaado on time waqtigaaga. Waxaan ka dhignay please ensure you arrive on time. Okay, and number 5, can you let them know when you'll be arriving? Can you let them know when you'll be arriving? And waxaan ka dhignay halkana, can you informing waxa weeyaan when you inform something, when you're telling something to someone. Can you inform when you will be arriving? Okay, and number 6, how are you going to fix the problem? How are you going to fix the problem? Sideed u xalin karaysa and the problem amba dhibaatada. You'll be saying, how are you going to solve? How are you going to solve the problem, inshallah? So, okay, and that will be the end of the lesson, inshallah. And if you have any questions, make sure that you leave it at the comment section. And I'll be telling you that there are online classes going on, both English, Arabic, and Pharmacology, inshallah. So if you're interested, just make sure that you leave your contact number at the comment section, and we'll be reaching to you, inshallah. We'll be giving you the right information. Thank you.